Mantis V2 RTX 5090 Beast Mode PC. Faster than your reflexes? Real gamer tears inside. Let's face it, your current rig? It's holding you hostage. You boot up, full of hope and caffeine, and then bam! You're staring at a spinning wheel, dropped frames, or a sudden thermal panic. Games stutter, renders crawl, and your multitasking dreams go up in smoke. It's not you. It's that outdated, wheezing box of regrets you call a PC. You've poured time, money, and energy into your passion, gaming, streaming, creating, and it's all being bottlenecked by bargain bin performance and clunky old gear. You're not crazy. You're just being throttled by mediocrity. Now crank that frustration to 11. Missed stream slots. Delayed uploads. Competitive matches ruined by lag while your opponent moonwalks through your frame drops. You've tried overclocking, tweaking, praying, even whispering sweet BIOS settings, but nothing clicks. That sinking feeling when your PC fans get louder than your actual gameplay? Soul-crushing. That moment your edit crashes 5 minutes before deadline? Rage-inducing. You deserve power that listens, not tech that gaslights you into believing it's good enough. You're one thermal spike away from tossing the whole case out the window. Enter the empowered PC Mantis V2 gaming desktop. This is not just a PC, it's a damn exorcism for your digital demons. Powered by the jaw-dropping 24-core Intel i9-14900KF, 64GB DDR5 RAM, and the GPU unicorn that is the RTX 5090 with 32GB GDDR7, this monster doesn't break a sweat, it makes your tasks beg for mercy. With 2TB of Gen 4 NVMe SSD and 6 whisper-quiet ARGB PWM fans, this thing is cooler than your ex pretending they're over you. And the Mantis design? It's not just a name, it's a flex. Tempered glass, aluminum wings, RGB like a light show from the future. It's basically the Batmobile of desktops. Let's talk perks. Insane 100+ FPS gaming at ultra settings. Seamless 4K streaming. Rendering time so fast, it's like time travel for content creators. The Mantis V2 gives you surgical multitasking precision, juggling tabs, games, and creative software without breaking a single bite of sweat. And with empowered PCs stress-tested, USA-assembled pedigree and lifetime support, you're not buying a box, you're investing in peace of mind. No bloatware. No fluff. Just pure, uncut speed and style. Still skeptical? Good. That means you're smart. Now let's turn that skepticism into satisfaction. Act now, because let's be real, beasts like this don't sit in stock for long. This ain't a fantasy, it's a limited drop trusted by esports pros, content creators, and performance junkies across the country. Don't let this opportunity slip through your sweaty, RGB-lit fingers. Thousands have already leveled up, now it's your turn to join them. Don't settle. Don't stall. Smash that button, upgrade your life, and let the Mantis V2 show you what real power feels like. Because you weren't born to lag, you were born to lead.